lost more than a step, but he looks good for.
There was a time when he could.
Totally. Well, he's definitely lost more than a few steps. He used to always be able to get in front of the other dog. There's not a chance now.
Yeah.
We want him just to exercise, though.
He's still super into it, though.
Oh, yeah, I'm surprised.
Uh-huh.
He must be feeling a lot better.
Yeah, we're encouraged that he's just running the way he's running.
Yeah, he's like, okay, I'm gonna get you. You're gonna move?
He's got that border collie instinct still.
Yeah, I can tell how when he runs, he kind of is a little wobbly.
But this is so much better than he was doing.
He just hops from shade to shade. But I figure from over here, he'll bring the ball back and then there's the water over there.
Do you come here much?
Yeah, we try to make it out.
We have not been in a long time, and I kind of thought it'd be more people here than this. Is this pretty normal?
No, yeah, this is pretty quiet, especially for a Sunday afternoon.
Maybe people are viewing this Sunday in the middle of Labor Day differently.
Oh, yeah, I bet there may be like people that are coming out of town.
Yeah. Litter mates, and only they have any fear of the dog. The dog gets too close, and they're left to do this. But then they know the dog, they never do anything. And
Well, something we forgot to tell you is he's deaf.
yeah,
He was born deaf. Diseases that he gets a little bit different. Because he doesn't have all the same. He's like, ugh. I don't think I'm going to chase him.
That is a plus. Yeah. I ran with him a few times and I never quite stuck with it enough to make him a good running.
Well, living inside most of the time, and a border collie do not really.
Yeah.
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 Burn off.
Yeah. He